A real, complete HTML document genuinely needs a specific structure, doctype, HTML, head, and body for browsers to render it correctly. In this video, you'll build one from scratch. This real declaration genuinely tells the browser this is a modern HTML5 document, not an older, different format. This real root tag genuinely wraps the entire actual page content. The real head genuinely holds metadata, like the title shown in the browser tab, not visible page content itself. The real body genuinely holds everything actually visible on the page, and the whole document closes with closing HTML tag. The doctype declaration genuinely declares a modern HTML5 document. Head tag genuinely holds metadata, not visible content. Body tag genuinely holds everything actually visible on the page. Write a real complete HTML document with a title and one visible heading. Ready to explore what an HTML element actually is?